Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to enable LED flash notifications now, so make sure your iPhone XR is on the latest iOS and the camera flash works. Open Settings, then tap Accessibility. Once there, choose Audio/Visual, that's where Flash alerts live. You want this route because accessibility controls override other notification nuances. Tap into Audio/Visual and pause. The next step is enabling LED flash for alerts. This ensures visual cues for calls and messages, especially when sound is off or for hearing accessibility. Now enable LED flash for alerts by switching the toggle on. Also enable flash on silent if you want the LED when the mute switch is active. Once done, make sure relevant apps are allowed in your focus or do not disturb settings so the phone actually sends alerts visually. Go to Settings Focus, select the active focus, and allow calls/messages from those contacts or apps. After configuring, lock the screen and trigger a test call or text to confirm the flash behavior works as expected. Finish by locking the iPhone XR and testing a call or message. The LED should blink on incoming alerts. If it doesn't, restart the phone first. That clears minor glitches. Make sure the camera flash functions in Camera app. If it's broken, flash notifications won't work. Also review focus rules again, because silence notifications won't trigger the LED. One key troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, reset accessibility settings, Settings General Transfer or Reset, rather than a full reset, then re-enable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.